Hello everyone! Today I'm going to learn the 7 continents of the world. Are you ready to learn along with me? My teacher is here. Can you please teach us the 7 continents of the world, please?
Of course, little Teddy. North America, South America,
North America, South America,
Africa.
Europe, Africa.
No, wait. You just need to say Africa and Europe
Africa and Europe
and Asia.
and Asia.
Then you say Australia.
Australia,
Then after that you say Antarctica.
Antarctica.
These are the 7 continents.
Hooray! These are the 7 continents. Repeat after me. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. These are the 7 continents.
Good. Now you can be a teacher, little Teddy.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. And these are my lovely students. Lovely students, did you like what I said? Yes, it was very, very good. Excellent. Amazing. Very, very interesting. Hey, who's forgotten? Hey, very, very excellent.
Teacher, can you tell me which is the largest continent?
That's just easy. Asia.
And which is the smallest continent?
That's Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. If you like this video, always subscribe. And I nearly forgot something. And the Antarctica is the coldest and it has reindeer and penguin and polar bear and seals. That's a lot.